Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we're gonna show you how to swap your earpads for the Sennheiser HD1 and Momentum headphones. Please note that these do not fit the Momentum 3.
Stick your finger inside the original earpad and stretch it out of the mounting ring. Grab your new earpads by Dekoni Audio and guide the pads over the headphone. Adjust the pad to the right orientation and repeat once more.
With that, you're ready to begin a new listening experience with your Sennheiser HD1 and Momentum headphones with your newly installed earpads by Dekoni Audio.